And welcome to another episode of Fequiere Fitness TV. I am your host, Daniel Fequiere, health and fitness coach. And today, guys, we're coming back to you live. Let me know if you like this format, kind of changing it up a little bit towards the end of the year, just to see what you guys are thinking and what you guys like. On this one, where it's live, we're going to be actually doing a workout together. So today, we're going to be actually doing a little bit of a glute and leg workout. It's going to be 4 workouts that we're doing. We're going to be doing them in a reps of 25. So for the first workout that we're going to be doing, this is something very simple, very light. You can actually do it from home or whether you're at a gym. So the first one is just going to be butt kicks. And as you guys know, with butt kicks, you're going to place your hands right behind your glutes. You're just raising up your legs so that way the back of your heel will touch your hands. So we're doing this for, again, a rep of 25. All right, guys, and ready, set, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Beautiful, good job. Catch your breath for a little bit. So for anyone who might be watching or participating, this is for a beginner's workout. I want you guys to be able to do something where you can start off in order to be able to get back into your better peak performance. Those of you guys who are already doing great workouts, great job. Please follow along with my other videos. Let's finish along again for those who might be beginner or moderate just getting started. Next workout we're going to do is just a shifting weights. All right, hey, shifting weights, and you guys are ready. On this one, what we're doing, we're staying in that squat position. You guys are just going to be moving laterally from one side to the next, like a boxer. Imagine that there's a rope right above your head. You're just going below that rope from one side to the next, shifting the weights into your quads. And ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Keep that chest out. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 10 more. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Awesome job, guys. You guys are amazing. Third workout is just going to be skaters. Skater workout is, imagine you're just a regular skater. When you're skating, you're moving from one side to the next, moving that foot. We're doing the same exact motion. For this one, it's a hopping motion. If you're unable to hop, you guys can just walk it out. What I mean by that is you'll step, move, But for the remainder of those who might be moderate or advanced, you want a little bit more to push yourself, you're going to do it in a jumping motion. Tapping that back foot a little bit further than width apart, just coming from side to side. All right, guys, and ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 25 more, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Amazing job. Now we're on our final one, guys. Final one, and I'm going to leave you alone, I promise. Low jump squats, you're just staying a little bit low. You're just kind of jumping up a little bit onto the balls of your feet. You want to come up a little bit and back down. Up and back down. All right, guys, again, we're doing for a count of 25. These are squats into the, basically a calf raise. And ready, set, and go. 1, to your calves. 2, to your calves. 3, job. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, getting both benefits. 10, on the legs and the quads. 11, and calves. 12, 13, 14, 15, just 10 more, guys. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Count with me in the last 5. 5. Good job. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Amazing job, guys. As usual, you guys are awesome. I thank you so much for joining in. Again, comment below and let me know what you guys think about this type of workout. Let me know if it was too easy. Let me know if it was too hard and you like more workouts like these. Thank you so much again for joining. For apparel like this, check out my website, fequierefitness.com. On there you can find as far as apparel, swag, gifts. As you guys know, I've been promoting for a while these masks, and they are now available. Again, now available at fequierefitness.com. Check it out, guys. Let me know what you think. Thank you so much for joining. You guys have a wonderful day. God bless. And I'll see you next time, Monday at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Dance, 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 dance.